this just came out of that, hot popping pan, guys. Look. Hello guys, welcome to another vlog. It's your friend John. How are you all? I believe you guys are fine. Love you guys. Guys, right now I'm at a place called Park Street, right? So behind me, as you can see, there's the Kusum roll right here in a place called Park Street, and this is the famous roll spot to find here in the street of Kolkata, right? And as you can see the crowd here, right? So I'm gonna go and show you, the way they make this, delicious roll. Roll is like basically a flat bread, and they put this, a chicken cooked in a steak, right? Like a skewers, and you put that chicken in the bread and you roll it with some onions and chilies. Let's go explore. And guys, if you're watching my vlog for the first time, you know what to do. Subscribe, guys. Let's go. Right, guys. So this is the famous, chicken roll spot here in Kolkata, right? Well, this is one of the busiest, streets here in Kolkata. It's called the Park Street, and you will find all the big pubs and cafes and good spots, for you to hang out. So this is how it is, and yeah, let's go and see the way they make this delicious chicken roll. Let me squeeze in, guys. You see the crowd, so I need to squeeze in. Can't help it. So look, guys, here we are.
ये वाला मेरा double chicken कर दीजिए.
Excuse me, brother. Right, guys, so here we are. You see the busy kitchen here. All the brothers are super busy, making the roll. It's called the kati roll, right? See, guys, kati is like basically that stick. You see that stick there? So they, wrap the chicken, or they put the chicken in that, stick, and they cook it right on top of the charcoal. And they fry this bread called paratha, right? You see this bread here is called the paratha. So they fry this bread in that very big pan there, it's called the tawa, right? You see that pan there? The brother is frying the bread called paratha, right? So once he fries the bread there, he shapes the bread here, and this brothers here, they prepare the roll. It's called the, and you can even have the egg on your bread. Look, guys, it's very noisy in here, right? So you just look. Chicken cheese. Chicken cheese. झूठ बोलता है. बोल दीजिए. लो लो लो. They will squeeze lime, right, guys? If you want lime, they will give lime, right? Look, guys.
एक चिकन है, एक डबल अंडा है, डबल चिकन. एक चिकन है और एक डबल चिकन है.
Guys, and right now in Kolkata it's very hot, right? So they even have a fan here, right? So when you stand here in the crowd, so you can get some breeze, right? Or some air. Look, guys.
अंडा चिकन.
Right, guys, so I'm gonna look, guys, they even have so many awards here, right? This is one of the awards here. Yeah, okay, so these are the awards of the shop, right? And they even have few awards there as well, because this is the famous Kati roll spot here in Kolkata. So let me just go out. It's too hot, guys. So that was the famous Kati roll, right? So if you ever come to Kolkata, guys, come and find this spot here. It's called the Kusum roll, right? And this is the menu chart here, right? So I'm gonna show you the menu, right? Look, see, guys. So these are the types of roll you get. So they have so many different kinds of roll, right? It's crazy, guys. It's insane. Now, guys, you see this pub here, right? It's called the Oli Pub. It's one of my favorite pub here, right? So once in a while, I love to come here and get some beers, right? That's fine. So you see those book stalls? If you love reading, and look, guys, what it says. It says, "Do epic." Yeah. And they even have another menu here, right? This is for the sandwiches, and the menu there was for the rolls. Guys, you see the amount of chicken that brother is frying in that big pan is insane, right? It's crazy, guys. People in Kolkata, they love they love the rolls here, right? And you can even add the egg on your bread, as well as the chicken, or only the bread and the egg. Look, guys. So this just came out of that, hot piping pan, guys. Look. Looks delicious, right?
दो चिकन के बाद एक मशरूम लगा मशरूम प्याज सॉस मिर्चा नींबू मसाला बड़े बना सिंगल मिर्चा मत सिंगल चिकन अरे हमको मारेगा क्या अरे दूर जाइए निकाल दे डबल अंडा आ गया डबल अंडा भी बनाइए दो है एक दो पार्ले का ये डबल अंडा सिंगल अंडा निकालिए हाँ भाई सिंगल जाएगा मेरा डबल अंडा है सॉस चिली सॉस बस हाँ चिली सॉस है टोमेटो नहीं आपका क्या रोल है ना
Thank you guys for watching the vlog. I really hope you enjoyed the vlog. If you did, please do not forget to smash that subscribe button. It's all free. All you have to do is smash that subscribe button. So whenever I upload videos, I really want this video to get to the world. I want everybody to see this video. And yeah, I'll see you in a minute. Next video, next vlog. Let's make memories, love, peace. Peace out, guys. So guys, please subscribe, guys. And that was the famous chicken roll here in Kolkata. Come and try it. Peace out.